Hello all the students and fine good morning. I hope you all are well in this pandemic coronavirus. Please stay home, stay safe, spend your quality time with your family member. You can give your quality time in your study also. I hope whatever homework I am giving you in math and science, you are doing it on time. Because whenever the school is going to open, I am going to ask all the homework which I have given you. So please be sincere and do all the homework on time. So today I am going to explain you. Today I am going to explain you chapter 10. Okay, maths. This is a new chapter, estimation. So we'll see page number 100, 15 to 100, 19 we'll see. Okay, chapter is estimation. See, what do you mean by estimation? See, estimation means we have to estimate the nearest number. Okay, like if 99 is there, then you have to estimate. Yes, it can be 100. So how you will estimate? That I will tell you. See, so there is when we round a given number to the nearest 10, we consider the number at the ones place. If the number at ones place is 5 or more than 5, the number at tens place is increased by what? It is increased by 1. And the number at the ones place changes to 0 if the number at the ones place is less than 5. The number at the tens place remains the same and the number at the ones place changes to 0. It means first I am going to explain you about rounding up to the nearest 10. Okay, so this is your question. Now I am going to tell you how we will solve this. See, few examples first we will take 43, 57, 145, 133. So what I will write is nearest 10. So this 43 nearest 10 means after rounding I can write it 40. Is 57 I will write 60. Is 145 I will write 50. And is 133 I will write 130. How? I am just going to tell you. See how why I have written is nearest 10. See, in nearest 10, what we see? We see one digit number. Okay, ones digit number. See, here it is ones digit, here it is tens digit. So whenever the question is that you have to change nearest 10, what you will do? See, it's one digit. If it's one digit is 0 to 4. Okay, if it's one digit is 0 to 4. If it's one digit is 0 to 4, what we will do? Tens place, okay, tens place digit will be remain, okay, will be remain same. Tens place digit will be remain same and ones digit place will become what? 0. Whenever you find, okay, when you have rounding up to the nearest 10, okay, see the question also. Then question will be this. Then you have to keep in your mind that whenever this one digit number you find 0 to 4, what you will do is 10 place digit will remain same. Means 4 will remain same and one digit place will become 0. If here is 4 is there, if 5 is there, 5, 0. Now come to next question. See, here one digit place is what? 7. So when if one digit number is 5 to 9, then it's tens, then we add 1 to its tens digit number, and one digit will be G. See, first question was that when one digit number will be 0 to 4, then what we have to do, 10 digit number will remain same and this one digit number will become what? 0. But when one digit number will be 5 to 9, okay, when one digit number will be 5 to 9, what we do, we add 1 to its 10 digit number. So see, this is 5. When we will add 1, what it will become? It will become 6. And number and one's digit will be 0. And this 7 is there, then this one digit will become 0. In both the cases, the one digit number, whatever one digit number will be there, that will become 0. Only you have to keep in your mind that if it is 0 to 4, then 10 digit will remain same. If it is 5 to 9, then 10 digit number will we have to add 1 to its 10 digit number. Now come to next question. So see, here one digit number is what? 5 to 9. So what we will do, we add 1 to its 10 digit number. So this is 1 square is 10. So I have added plus 1 here. This 1 will remain same 1. We are changing to nearest 10. So we will not touch this. So this 1 will remain same. This 4 I have added 1 according to the statement. 1 I have added, then 4 plus 1, 5 it will become, and its one digit will be 0. So that's why 150. Now come to question number 3. 153. So see, one digit number is what? 0 to 4. So 10 place digit will be remain same. So this 1 also will remain same. This 3 will also remain same. Now its one digit place will become 0. Then this one place digit become 0. Okay, student. I hope whatever I have explained, you have understood. It's very easy. Nothing to do. Only have to keep in your mind it's ones digit and it's tens digit. Okay. So we will see some question also. I have already there is example number 1. In example number 1, you have to round out these some numbers to the nearest 10. So see, like 53 is there, 109, 113, 1025. So see, very easy. 53 is there. So one digit place is 3. So what we will do? We will not change. This digit place will be remain same. So 5 and one digit will become 0. Come to next 109. One digit number is 9. So what we will do? We add 1 to its 10 digit place. So this 1 will remain same. Here 1 will be left. Then 0 plus 1, 1. And this 9 will become what? 0. Come to this question, 1's place digit is 3. Then we will no change will be there. So 1 and take 1 digit place will become what? 0. Come to this number 1025. So 1 digit place number is 5. So what we will do? We will add to its 1. I will add 1 to its 10 digit. So this 1 0 will remain same. It's 2 plus 1 3 and 5 will become 0. So 1025 will become 1030. Okay, nothing have to do, only have to estimate. It's when you keep in your mind when portion is nearest to the 10. In lecture number 2, I will go rounding up to the nearest 100. So there will be different method. Here 10, then 1 and 10 we calculate maybe in 100. There will be different method. So we will meet in lecture number 2.